Looking for a Griswold cast iron skillet? Our kitchen appliance experts bought and tested the top 7 best Griswold cast iron skillet available in 2021 and put them through a rigorous side-by-side comparison to find the very best. Each model was subjected to a punishing quality of tests for whipping, mixing, and kneading. Our recommendations are based on our extensive hands-on testing and can help you find the perfect Griswold cast iron skillet for your needs and budget. I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Starting at number 7 on our list, we have the Royal Dutch Cast Iron 1815 11-piece cookware set. This greatest cast iron cookware set is a compact bundle that includes 11 pieces of magical cookware, including quality cast iron pans and pots with griddle, as well as other bits and pieces to use with the extra items. You may perform whatever type of cooking you desire with this high-quality cookware set. Boil, braise, fry, slow cook, stew, stir-fried, and grill are just a few of the options. It's appropriate for a backyard BBQ gathering. For your favorite super curry dish, the well-designed pour sprout comes in useful. Check out the description for more information about this product and the latest price. At number 6 on our list, we have the Lodge Pre-Season Cast Iron Combo Cooker. Should you will need a deep skillet, then there's not anything better than Lodge LCC3 Cast Iron Combo Cooker. This cast iron cookware has one fryer, a Dutch oven, plus a shallow skillet which may be transformed into a pay. This best cast iron cookware set is flexible and permits you to prepare just about any recipe. Both of these skillets are mill experienced and have a non-stick surface. It's constructed from high-quality iron and the overall end is fairly much. You may use them in your gasoline stove, broiler oven, etc. These skillets are fantastic for baking soda pops, bread, or even some other slow-cooked dishes. It helps the oil to penetrate deeply into the iron surface. That means you can flip or eliminate the food out of the skillet easily. At number 5 on our list, we have the bruntmore Pre-Season Cast Iron 7-piece cookware set. Heavy-duty cookware is included for indoor cooking, as well as camping excursions, backyard meals, outdoor gatherings, and survivalists, hunters, and fishermen. The best beginning set for indoor or outdoor cooking. Cast iron necessities for camping, grilling, and painting. The bruntmore Pre-Season Cast Iron 7-piece bundle gift set completes your camp cooking set. Multi-cooker, rectangular grill pan, wok, skillet, square grill pan, and chainmail are all part of this category. The camping cookware set is ideal for preparing delectable meals while camping. The set includes a durable cast iron structure. A fantastic gift idea for weddings, company gifts, family and friends that enjoy camping, and much more. Makes for an unbelievable outdoor cooking experience. Bring some old allure to somebody's life today. Cookware may also be used inside. At number 4 on our list, we have the enameled 2-in-1 cast iron multi-cooker by Bruntmore. This is a fascinating one. It is sort of iffy as to if or not you can truly call this a set or maybe not. It is, technically, one thing, a Dutch oven with a lid. On the other hand, the lid comes with an intriguing flat design that allows it to be utilized as a cast iron skillet of its own. Both are well-made, very sturdy cast iron structures with a wonderful red enamel on the exterior that's still secure for all heat sources, including induction stoves and perhaps even open fire cooking, such as a campfire. Additionally, it has an interior inside, which can be a little more of a mixed bag. It means that the cast iron is always experienced, kind of, and non-stick, but you get rid of a little the pure cast iron dash, and it will imply there is a collapse point here that additional cast iron cookware surpasses, specifically the tooth can flake and chip. At number 3 on our list, we have the Griswold Cast Iron Skillet Set Pre-Seasoned Oven-Safe Cookware Kit. The Griswold is a bestseller on Amazon.com and can be pre-seasoned using a vegetable oil collection of skillets which have 4 silicone handle holders which are heat-resistant, a scraper for obtaining stuck-on-off food, and also a 12-inch convenient organizer for preserving the skillets. Lids aren't included in this collection. The surface and out the skillets are pebbly rough, not smooth. The silicone hand holders shouldn't enter the oven. They'll get hot also. These top skillets to utilize from the oven made from cast iron provide you heat, and they may be used on gas, electric, toaster, and above the campfire. Utilize the skillets for frying, baking, broiling, braising, sautéing, and leafy greens and veggies. The 8-inch skillet is ideal for baking cornbread in the oven together with crispy edges. At number 2 on our list, we have the Simple Chef Cast Iron Skillet 3-piece set. This exquisite 3-piece set huge cast iron skillet speaks of high-quality craftsmanship, making it ideal for use by snazzy and cautious cooks as well as professional cafe culinary professionals, and therefore making it the best cast iron cookware available. We appreciate a beautiful piece of cookware that matches the value of our money, and this 3-piece cast iron skillet set is by far the best of the cast iron cooking collection assortments we've tried. Aside from the way this pre-prepared skillet is demanding, it has a slew of other benefits, which we've listed below. And finally at number 1 on our list, we have the ultimate pre-season 2-in-1 cast iron multi-cooker. Adding to the listing of the top cast iron cookware set is that this versatile 2-in-1 multi-cooker. This very best duo of cast iron kettle and pan lid works best in preparing a healthy meal for you and your family, since they are non-toxic. That's exactly the same along with additional quality-made cast iron solutions. This non-stick pair may cook in a variety of approaches and sorts, based on your own favorite recipe. It is possible to use it individually or as you can. The pan can function as a lasting lid and a skillet for frying food. With this 2-in-1 pre-seasoned place, it is possible to easily cook your favorite dish, saving you a great deal of time. First and foremost, you do not have to invest additional time and effort in cleaning once you wash them due to its pre-seasoned attribute. It is accompanied by a simple cleaning procedure. Check out the description for more information about this product and the latest price. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.